Owners of the new Renault-Dacia Duster may encounter a loss of power and engine overheating, potentially necessitating a complete transmission replacement. These technical issues have been observed across various models, including the Clio, Megane, Captur, Arkana, and the new Duster. Reports have recently emerged highlighting potential problems relating to the 1.6 E-Tech hybrid system utilized in Renault vehicles such as the Clio, Megane, Captur, Arkana, and also the Duster 3. The system, introduced in 2020 and also employed in the Duster 3, has exhibited issues including power loss and transmission defects. While the Dacia Duster 3 has not yet been directly affected by these concerns, Renault has proactively initiated precautionary measures. On May 21, 2024, a corrective operation was launched to address potential defects. Car owners with the 1.6 E-Tech system may experience reduced power or receive warnings about electric motor overheating, which necessitates immediate attention from a specialist. The primary cause of the problem is a breach in the sealing ring of the electric motor's hollow shaft, resulting in oil leakage and subsequent severe malfunctions. Although there have been no reported instances of such failures in the Dacia Duster 3 thus far, automotive service centers caution that should a dashboard warning signal an electric motor overheating issue, it is imperative to promptly visit a service center for inspection and potential replacement of parts. If an oil leak is identified between the transmission and the electric motor, but no error code is displayed, the current technical operation may not be applicable. In more severe cases, such as power loss and the appearance of the DTC 16D861 error, a complete transmission replacement may be required. This issue impacts all models equipped with the 1.6 E-Tech hybrid system manufactured between 2020 and January 19, 2024, potentially including certain models of the Dacia Duster 3. Is the increasing complexity of designs leading to a looming predicament? This situation brings to mind a historical analogy: the widespread adoption of cooling automatic transmissions by circulating fluid through the main radiator, which included a compartment dedicated to cooling the transmission oil. This intricate setup proved to be inherently flawed, as it was only a matter of time before it encountered failure. Eventually, the industry reverted to utilizing a separate radiator, ensuring that any leakage would not result in the mixing of different fluids. The parallels between that scenario and the one at hand are undeniable. The inevitability of a seal leak is a ticking time bomb. Nothing can last indefinitely. Why opt for a design that would cause the entire system to malfunction, rather than just a minor inconvenience like a drip on the pavement? This enigma puzzles even the most discerning minds.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.